Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the new Redmi 15 5G, Xiaomi's latest budget-friendly 5G smartphone that packs a punch. Right out of the box, it looks premium with a sleek matte finish and lightweight design that feels great in the hand. The 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, gaming, and watching videos super smooth and vibrant. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM, which means multitasking and gaming run effortlessly without heating issues. The 50MP dual rear camera setup takes sharp and colorful shots, and the 13MP front camera handles selfies quite well, even in tricky lighting. Battery life is another strong point. The massive 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, and with 33W fast charging, you can top it up quickly. It runs on MIUI 15 based on Android 14, giving you a smooth and customizable user experience. Overall, the Redmi 15 5G delivers excellent value for money, fast performance, reliable cameras, long battery life, and 5G connectivity, all in one stylish package. If you're looking for an affordable 5G phone that doesn't compromise on quality, this one's definitely worth checking out.